will love this simple recipe for low-calorie banana bread that is made with simple ingredients that are easy to find and budget-friendly. This skinny banana bread recipe weighs just 74 calories per slice and is a great low-fat alternative to traditional homemade banana bread. The average calorie of banana bread is 420 calories per slice, but in this recipe, you will get 74 calories per slice. If you want to add this recipe to your meal plan, contact our certified dietitian and nutritionist. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Spray 2 mini baking pans with non-stick cooking spray. Set aside. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, add all ingredients except the flour. Gently mix by hand until everything is mixed and the batter is smooth. Add flour, stir until combined. Divide the batter between the 2 baking pans. Bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Let cool. Cut each loaf into 6 slices. Enjoy. Print this recipe from the link in the description.